Nagbabalik po ang Rotary in Action. Magandang gabi po sa kanila lahat. Ako po si Past District Governor Jess Cifra. And it's now time for our Governor's Corner, kung saan ay kikilalanin natin ang ating featured Rotarian of the Night at ang kanyang kwento bago maging bahagi ng Rotary. Let us welcome Charter President Teddy Horado and Club Secretary Saldi Kimpo of the Rotary Club of Caloocan, District 3800. Magandang gabi po, Charter President Teddy and Club Secretary Saldi.
Magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi naman po. It's of course always a pleasure to have guests here in this show. And for this segment, which is called the Governor's Corner, we are very much honored to have you tonight, Charter President Teddy. Because I know that you come from a special club, the Rotary Club of Caloocan. Special because this is a club that is almost as old as me. You are a 55-year-old club. Bihira ho siguro dito sa ating kasaysayan ng Rotary sa Pilipinas ang clubs na umaabot na ng 55 years old. So, mahina ho ako sa math, but exactly when was your club chartered, Charter President Teddy?
Our birthday is September 12, 1959.
Talaga.
And I was already a member at the time. So I've been with the club also for 55 years.
Am I correct that this is also the same club as of President Matt Caparas?
Yes, it's the same club where President of Rotary International, Matt Caparas, was also president. He was president in 1963 or something like that.
And did I say it right that you are the charter president of the club or a charter member of the club?
I was a charter member of the club. Our charter president was Servi Batak. He passed away already. Yes.
So talagang siguro hoy batang-bata pa kayo nung sumali sa ano. You must have been what, a teenager when you joined Rotary.
May dagdag ko lang, Gob Jess. Madagdag ko lang.
Sige, Saldi.
Charter member Teddy, being the oldest member of the club, in terms of service with the club, he's also a 100%er in attendance up to this time.
I see, 100%er. Biro mo yan. Well, for the information of our televiewers who are not Rotarians, when you say 100%er, that means you attend your club meetings always, no? Without fail.
Without fail.
Talaga. Ano ang sekreto doon?
I just decide to go there when the meeting day comes.
Ganun ba? Now, I'm just curious, if I may call you Teddy, ha?
Yes, please.
Teddy, I'm just curious, ano ba ang involvement mo before Rotary? And why did you decide to become a Rotarian?
Well, mahabang istorya yan pagka i-istoryahin ko talaga.
Apa.
I was 25 years old and I was a budding PR man. And three of my clients happened to be from Caloocan. And the charter president was my client at the time. So I was giving them publicity for free. So sabi nila, nahiya na tayo, may gastos tayo palagi dapat dito kay Teddy. Pero para gawin natin libre, gawin natin siyang member. Then they made the chairman of the committee. O, di trabaho ko na nga naman.
Apo.
Hindi na sila nahihiyang magwalang bayad.
I see. But at the time, of course, this was like 55 years ago. Ano ba ang Rotary Club of Caloocan ng mga panahong yon? Ano ang mga activities ng club? Gaano kasaya ang club ninyo?
Ang club namin, if I will say masaya, sa tingin ko talagang masaya. In the first place, yung mga members, mga hindi naman katandaan din, pero they were all well-accomplished businessmen. Si Servi was president of Philippine Tiles Corporation. Si Ramon Quesada was president owner of Doctors Pharmaceuticals. Si Arturo Jacinto was the president of Jacinto Rubber Corporation, and all of them were cream of the community in business.
Ganun, ho.
Oo. At sila, mga siguro 50 anyos doon, ako 25 years old. Masasaya pa ang kanilang attitude. Kaya I would say that while they were well-accomplished businessmen, they were also still young in heart.
Before we go to the present, let me ask one question po. May pagkakaiba ho ba yung Rotary Club of Caloocan noon? Or for that matter, any Rotary Club that you were aware of? May pagkakaiba ho ba sa Rotary Club ngayon in terms of activities?
Actually,
Or in terms even of how they attended the meetings? Formal ba kayo noon compared ngayon?
yes, we were more formal in attire. Lagi kaming naka-Amerikana o nakabarong Tagalog. Ngayon, ang nanonotice ko, may mga naka-t-shirt na darating na member, naka-maong pants. Oo. Ibang-iba nun. Part of our attire talaga. Pag ako, lagi ako may dalang Amerikana o barong sa kotse. Kaya pag pupunta na ako sa Rotary Club, I will change if I'm not wearing one.
Okay. Now, let me ask naman si Saldi. Saldi, ikaw yung club secretary ngayon. So, how big is the club of Caloocan?
Well, right now we have 39 members in the club, and we have just recently added the mga young recruits to add more active blood in the club.
And saan kayo nagmi-meet? Anong meeting day nyo?
We meet every Tuesday sa Great Eastern Hotel.
Great Eastern Hotel in
Quezon
Caloocan.
Avenue, Quezon City.
I see. Quezon Avenue. So this is outside Caloocan.
It is outside
meeting place
Caloocan.
ninyo.
But PDGGS,
Apo.
I would like to add something. Before we got to Great Eastern Hotel, we were meeting at Jack's Place in Caloocan for several years.
Apo.
And we were meeting at Bonanza Restaurant at the border of Quezon City and Caloocan for several years.
Wala na yung Bonanza.
Wala nang pareho. Napadpad na kami. Walang masyadong sad to say. Walang masyadong lugar dyan sa Caloocan na medyo masasabi natin magandang lugar para mag-meeting ang isang club na malaki-laki kung minsan ang maming attendance.
Apo.
Oo, ganoon. Kaya kami napunta sa Quezon City.
Apo. So, ano ho ang mga, Saldi, ano ba mga activities ng club ngayon?
Actually, our president now is the present congressman of District 1 of Caloocan City, si Egay Erice. And one of his foremost projects, his and also the club, is on literacy.
Okay.
So what we did is not a simple project, but there were series of education summits between teachers, parents, students to determine bakit bumababa yung quality ng public education.
Opo.
And after so many months of summit, na ngayon nag-umpisa na kami ng parang training, parenting training, so that the parents will know now what is their fault or anong pagkukulang nila para ma-solve yung problem.
So you gather parents of school children in public elementary schools?
All public elementary schools in District 2, Caloocan City.
I see District 2 in Caloocan. So ilan nung mga paaralan po yan?
Maybe about 50. 50. Around 50.
So ilang
more or less.
estudyante ho yan?
Marami yan.
Marami yan.
Marami.
Libo yun? Ano
yes,
po?
thousands yan.
I see. So yan ang inyong signature project and you are well known all over, I guess, in the city for this signature project. Well, I'm very glad that you are having this project on literacy because really, our school children, especially in public schools, are in dire need of literacy programs such as this. Well, unfortunately, our time is very short, but we would like to hear from you. Maybe let's start from Saldi. Saldi Kimpo, the club secretary of the Rotary Club of Caloocan.
Well, nagpapasalamat kami that we were invited here to be part of this show and to impart yung projects ng Rotary Club of Caloocan. So, I hope na yung mga iba sa atin dyan na who are really would like to serve the community, why not try joining Rotary?
Opo, especially the young ones. Maybe you should call on the young ones and invite them to join your club. Opo. What about naman si ating 55 veteran of the Rotary Club of Caloocan?
Well, masasabi ko lang isang bagay sa buhay ko, ang Rotary Club marami ang aking natutuhan. I learned to be understanding of people. I learned to be supportive of people. Maraming bagay na dating impatient ako na nabawasan. Kasi iba-iba ang klase ng mga taong members ng Rotary Club. Kaya dapat alam mong pagkisamahan lahat. Kaya yung mga members ng Rotary Club, palagay ko, they are more, hindi naman sa dinidisparage ko yung ibang mga asosasyon. Pero it has an effect on the lives of members of the organization. Kaya I would say Rotary, not only does it help people, it also helps the members by changes in their lifestyle and many more that you could not understand.
Well, very well said. Charter member of the Rotary Club of Caloocan, Teddy Jurado. Marami pong salamat sa inyo, Saldi and Teddy, at pinaunlakan nyo ang aming paanyaya. Salamat po especially to Teddy sa inyong mga kwento, sa inyong inspirasyon sa pamagitan ng inyong storya tungkol sa mga proyekto ninyo sa Rotary. Mga kasambahay, yan po ang kabuuan ng ating Governor's Corner ngayong gabi. Susunod po ang PCRG Corner na ng ating kasama rito sa Rotary in Action, ang ating gwapong chairman ngayon ng PCRG. Walang iba kundi si Past District Governor June Farcon sa pagbabalik ng Rotary in Action.